When looking at Vanguard service options, investors often wonder if they provide direct access to human financial professionals. While entry-level automated tiers like Vanguard Digital Advisor rely purely on algorithms, stepping up to their hybrid and premium tiers unlocks direct access to real human advisors. Specifically, Vanguard Personal Advisor and Personal Advisor Select bridge the gap between automated portfolio management and human expertise. Through these programs, clients who meet the minimum asset requirements, starting at $50,000 for the standard Personal Advisor tier, gain ongoing access to professional financial advisors and certified financial planner professionals. This means you do not just get a computer-generated asset allocation. You get a dedicated human partner to help map out long-term retirement goals, navigate tax strategies, handle complex withdrawal phases, and review your overall financial health. For higher-tier accounts like Personal Advisor Select, clients are paired with a dedicated planner who builds a comprehensive, personalized wealth plan tailored to estate and legacy goals. Ultimately, Vanguard does offer robust access to financial advisors, but that access scales depending on your total assets under management and the specific advice tier you choose to enroll in. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.